Okay, so when you have one where it's a lot of numbers, um, so obviously you don't want to have to count these, and if you open in StatCrunch and do it the way we were working the earlier problems, um, it won't work like it would on ones that are smaller. So what you have to do here, the best way to do this is to do what's called a histogram. So of course select variable 1, and of course frequency is already there. So all you need to do is tell it where to start, and I've already found that I believe we needed 9 classes here, 2 to the 9th. So I'm going to put, because it was 350 for students that will watch this, 2 to the 9th is greater than or equal to 350. 2 to the 8th was too small. So we're going to start at 0 because both answer choices start at 0, even the one on this side. So we know we're going to start at 0, but the width, you really don't have to calculate. You can see that the width is 40. So you don't even have to find the highest and lowest. Just use, now that you know it's going to be this one because there's 9 classes, you also know what the width is without having to go look in the at all the numbers and try to find the highest and the lowest. So use that to help you. And then I think that's it. Those are the only things you have to check, and then click compute, and that's going to give you a histogram. And you can use this in 2.3 as well, this method. So you can see the first class frequency is 52. Just move the cursor over it. The second class is 104, and then 90, and then 65, 15, 12, 4, 5, and 3. So it's a neat way. A histogram is just a graph that shows the actual frequencies. So this is an easy way to do one where you have a lot of numbers. So I hope that this will help you with 2.2.9 and other problems as well.